Tell me what happened.
Well, my shade tree hackery came back to haunt me. So,
And
the
haste makes waste.
Yeah, the fuel pump, the pins at the pump weren't connected all the way because the retainer here, I don't know, it doesn't fit right. So I pulled the retainer off and just hard mounted the pins in there and just pushed the pins in, and they clicked in, and car fired right up. So we're still gonna try to make it. We're gonna
We are?
Yep, we're gonna transit because life is about adventures, and we're still gonna try to make it to 40 miles or 35 miles to Santa Monica. So stuck on the side of the road, and we're still gonna try to make it to the show.